Hello everyone, this is 𝗪𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗃, Laser Application Manager at Laser Technologies. Today I am going to introduce our new product WeldX, 3 kW power source and with camera welding monitoring system. And this machine comes with XYZ motion. X range is 500 mm, Y range is 500 mm and Z range is 500 mm. The maximum speed of this machine is 2000 mm per minute, and it is integrated with Syntec controller. This machine is suitable for industries like automobile, kitchen industries, manufacturing industries, medical, and some kind of fabrication industries also, where a customer is having repetitive jobs and he has to perform every day on a very bulk mode. So this machine is final solution for the customers. Now this machine comes up with power variation from 1 kW to 3 kW. Right now it is embedded with 3 kW power, and this machine comes with camera vision technology. Like during the welding, you can watch your welding, how it is going on, and if there is some problem with the machine can indicate alarm on the screen. So this is a fully automatic machine. It can help to boost your productivity. We invite you to our customer experience center Pune to experience new technologies. Thank you so much.